or what they are. So here are some examples of indefinite pronouns. Can you go to slide number 7, teacher? Okay, so this one is indefinite pronoun. An example, someone is at the door. I do not know who it is. It's not definite who is there. What is the indefinite pronoun there?
Someone.
Someone. Okay, that's right. Here are more examples. There's someone at the door. Who is it? The indefinite pronoun is the underlined word someone. In the next sentence, I love the party. Everything is fantastic. What's the indefinite pronoun there?
Everything.
Everything. Let's read more examples. Everything and someone. In slide number 9, let's read the sentence. Does anyone want cake? Let's go somewhere. What are the indefinite pronouns? Anyone and somewhere. Great job. Slide number 10. Okay, so indefinite pronouns are, these are singular words. So we use a singular verb with them. The verb should end with S. Everybody loves the new puppy. So it's singular, so the verb ends with S. It should be singular. Next slide. However, we can also use they, them, or their. Like, nobody brought their bag. Okay, next slide in number 12. These are examples of indefinite pronouns that starts with every. Can you read all? Everybody, everyone, everything, everyone. Very good. So it starts with every, right? We have everyone, everybody, everything, everywhere. It is used to refer to all. Please remember, all members of a group. Everybody knows Shaggy. You have everything you need. The clothes are everywhere. Okay? Next slide. We also start with some. Somebody or someone or something or somewhere. It refers to one person, thing, or one part of a group. Can you read examples? That's right. Thank you. Next slide. It starts with any, like anybody or anyone. Negative and interrogative sentences. Can you read a sample, please?